Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to import data into Zoho CRM so you can quickly upload contacts, leads, or other records from a spreadsheet without entering everything manually. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. From the dashboard, open the module where you want to import data, such as leads, contacts, or deals. Next, click the Import option. This is usually found in the top menu or under the More Options button inside the module. Now upload your file from your computer. Zoho CRM supports formats like CSV or Excel, so make sure your data is properly organized before uploading. After uploading, Zoho CRM will ask you to map your fields. Match columns like name, email, phone number, and company to the correct CRM fields. Once everything looks correct, start the import process. So when it's finished, your records will appear instantly in the module you selected. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully imported data into Zoho CRM. Now your contacts, leads, or deals are ready to use inside your CRM system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.